Platinum is something that is very rare. It was very exclusive. I also believe that platinum used to be very popular down south more, and it is not something that was very popular to the general public. But now with the advertisements that are going on and more people making different sorts and different kinds of jewelry with platinum, it is becoming very, very popular amongst the youngsters. As far as the platinum range goes, it was a very interesting set of pendants, earrings that we got to see today. Considering the fact there's not much that you can do with it, the kind of designs that were presented were very different. It's something very, it's something that a woman would like to wear. I would wear it to work. The kind of designs that I saw today, they were very elegant, simple.
Platinum jewelry is a personal favorite for me because I think it's very contemporary, and on a daily basis it's something that I wear more than I would say gold. So it's always nice to see something that jewelry that you would personally wear on an everyday basis or you would tend to buy. And when it came to the piece that struck out most, it was a pair of earrings. It's a pair of earrings by Khurana Jewelers, and not only did it look, initially when I saw it, I wasn't sure of how it would look, but when I tried it on, it was extremely striking because of the way the diamonds were placed, and the design, it seemed to be almost like a cochlea, the cochlea of the ear, like the inside of the ear, or like a shell shape. And they've got the curves of the shell beautifully, and after every curve there was a little there's a line of a string of diamonds, which made it very beautiful. I have not seen earrings like that till date.
You know, in the platinum category, when you ask me what's your most favorite, platinum is such a beautiful metal that can be used in so many different ways. And two of my most favorite pieces was this one bangle that I saw, which was it had a circular frame, and you would wonder what's different, but the minute you put it on, you know the value of that, because whichever side you look at it, you just see one big bracelet, but you also see different layers to it, which makes it, which kind of shows different layers and different sort of stages of a circle. So it's almost concentric when you wear it. It's by Jilly India Limited, and I have to say that it was a bangle that I'd really like to own, because it's something that would go with something Indian, Western, and platinum is timeless, just like all other jewelry is. The other piece that I liked a lot was these beautiful earrings by Poplay, which were almost like raindrops, and but lots of raindrops, and they kind of brush your neck, and they're so elegant and so feminine, and it's so well set, which kind of does nothing else but enhance the way you look. So why not?
Platinum is such an interesting category. It's, I think, again, a very new metal for Indian jewelry designers to have worked with. I think as a country, we've never really used so much of platinum. So I felt that as a category, not much justice had been done by the contributing entries to this category. I wanted to see a lot more very modern, very interesting pieces in platinum. So this was again one category that I was a bit disappointed in. A couple of pieces did stand out. One being, these lovely chandelier platinum earrings by Poplay. Platinum has to be thought of and designed with a very different perspective. So there's a lot more that could be added. There's a lot more one's expecting from this category in the coming years.